A little over 2 years ago, this dock that I'm standing on here, known as the Living Dock, had to be rebuilt following Hurricane Hermine. And now parts of the dock also needing repair after Hurricane Michael. This is what it looked like during the storm. Roughly 4 feet of storm surge swept ashore, across the road to the Gulf Specimen Marine Lab and Aquarium, then across the back road onto the rest of their property, damaging the pumps necessary to keep animals alive. Electricity was cut off. Generators helped, but filtration and aeration equipment was damaged. Fresh water was infiltrating the saltwater system.
The flooding, it did massive damage to our sumps, which is basically the heart of our aquarium and one of our systems. We have 2 different systems, and we're in the process of having to put in a new sump now.
The storm could cost the Marine Lab hundreds of thousands of dollars in repairs, plus upgrading their pump systems. Volunteers, staff, and interns still working on repairs and cleaning debris. Despite all the damage, the Gulf Specimen Marine Lab says that all of their animals have made it through the storm safely. And as for this living dock that I'm standing on right now, some volunteers have been working tirelessly throughout the past couple of weeks to get things back up and running and repaired in time for their next batch of field trips next week. Reporting in Panacea, Brittany Bedi, Fox 49 News.